All right, I'm here with James Bulpin visiting Octoblu from the UK, and he has been hacking on some cool Slack, artificial intelligence, Octoblu powered XenServer. What am I talking about? Command stuff. Take it away, James. What are you doing?
So what we've got here is a Slack bot that's pumping messages from our channel into API.ai, using its intents mechanism to look for commands that are being run on XenServer using natural language. And here we're being able to start up and shut down VMs. The replies are coming back to Octoblu, and we've got a XenServer connector for Octoblu that's then passing those XenServer API calls to the XenServer itself. So let's have a quick demo. So here on Slack, I can use natural language to start a VM. So I've got a VM called my VM, very original. So I'm going to say start
So
VM.
it looks like it's red, so it's offline right now.
That's right, yeah. So if I say start VM my VM, then that's going to be sent over to API.ai, and you can see now it's gone yellow as it starts,
green.
And it's green, which shows it's running. And the bot has replied to say that it's now started that VM. So I've got another one here, CoreOS 1, which is currently green, that's running. So I'm going to say shut down VM CoreOS 1. So again, that command's going over. It is natural language, so I don't have to be precise about the way I type my command. Like a CLI, I'd have to be character perfect.
Stop it.
And we can see that's already now shut down. But also it knows its limitations. So if I try and start a VM that doesn't exist, if I type it correctly, the API call, first of all, in the connector goes and looks to see if the VMs exist, and if the VM doesn't exist, it'll let us know via both a coded error message and a human readable string, which gets echoed back.
Now, what I thought was cool is that as you trained API.ai with natural language, you were able to mix up the way you were saying, just natural language, like just talking to
That's right.
Slack.
Yeah. So eventually we want to be able to do this with Alexa and other voice commands as well. Which means we don't want to have very precise formulations. So the natural language with the variability of the way you express your intentions, I think really makes this sort of thing possible.
So the interesting thing to me is how long did this take you to put together?
It's certainly less than 2 days. I've been playing around with this for part of yesterday, part of today. So there's probably about 7 or 8 hours work in this.
This would not have been possible a year ago, or even 6 months ago maybe, I don't know.
Now this has been made possible using Octoblu, using API.ai, a web service that provides for natural language processing, and obviously plenty of hacking to glue it all together.
That's awesome. Thank you, James.
Thank you very much, Chris.